Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to use widgets or how to understand the basic widget functionality on an iPad. So this should work on all the iPads again. The only difference being if you have a very old iOS, then there might be a possibility it may not work, but most of the latest or even the 15 or 17 iOS should have this very feature. So widgets are nothing but they are shortcuts to the applications, but they show the data of the application. For example, if you have a calendar, you just have a calendar icon over here, but when it comes to widget, it will be able to show you the upcoming appointments. So that is what the job of an widget is. So this over here is a weather widget. This is given by default. Then the calendar is also a widget. So now to add a widget, what you do is you tap on this home screen and it gives you the editing option of the icons and everything which is present over here. On the left top corner you will see a edit button or edit tab. You can tap in there, you will get a new menu. In there you can click on add widget, and here you will see all the widgets present in this particular category on the left. Say for example, I want a browser widget or I want a chat GPT widget, which is quite trending. So here I can add a chat GPT widget which is of this kind, or I can add which is of this kind. So let's add that. If I click on add a widget and I have a new chat GPT widget, I can tap anywhere on the screen and we are out of the edit mode, or you can click done on the right top corner and you will be out of the edit mode. So here you can see, instead of me finding chat GPT like this, I can now directly click inside this widget which will open chat GPT automatically, and I can start typing or start speaking using iPad's voice to text or chat GPT's voice to text. So this is what widgets are required for. You can have as many widgets as you want. Also, if you have not set any extra gestures, you are using the default gestures. If you slide the screen from the very left, you will see all the widgets which are over here. To make changes in these widgets, you can again tap in here and you can either edit the home screen widget or remove this particular widget from here. So this is how widgets are used and this is how they benefit. So thank you for watching.